Alrighty. GT Largo 21 is back on it again. Last episode I ended up cutting in half.
Resident Evil
So,
0.
this is going to be episode 2.5 of Resident Evil 0 HD. We had just gotten to Umbrella's training facility. Are the faint sounds of footsteps those of survivors? Probably not. Let's see what we had going here. Go ahead and leave this. Alrighty. Thing about Resident Evil, you could play for a while, but you'll feel like you didn't make as much progress as you normally could. God dang it. There I go again, mixing up menu and freaking... I'm gonna leave this here just in case. Do we have any goodies around? No, not really. Alright, well, start with the first floor. Okay, looks like there's two doorways. Alrighty, going through the door. This is creepy. This is super creepy. I don't like this. I really don't like this. Let's pick that up. We got an herb right here. That's always good. Oh shit! Time to go. Ooh, fucking leech guy. Door is locked. Doesn't seem to be a keyhole anywhere. Top part is engraved with the image of a clock. Ah, again? God damn it! Ah, thing creeps me the fuck out. Goddamn leech. You think it'll follow us in here? Okay, so we've got some bottles. Stuff. Oh, we got a canteen or a canister of gasoline. What's this? What? What? Alternate outfits? Dude. That's actually kind of cool. Umbrella. Oh, these are the freaking contest winner shirts. That's actually kind of cool. Yeah, let's change our outfit to the black shirt. Dude, that's kind of cool. Can we do the same thing for Billy, I wonder? Angel Diva is back. Awesome. Let's see here. jacket. Huh. That's actually kind of cool too. Let's go ahead with that. Make things a little more interesting. Although I feel like it'll take away from the cinematics or from the cutscenes, because in certain cutscenes they'll still be in their original outfits. So let's go ahead and keep it like that. But that's cool, different outfits. Alright, let's go check the other side. Can this door even be opened? Yes, it can. Oh, oh shoot. Wrong button. This is aim. Wait a second. Okay. Okay, I have to get back into it here really quick. Oh joy. Alrighty then. So what goodies do we got around here? Bullets, hopefully. Yay, bullets! It just gave me achievement, here I come to save the day. That's kind of funny. What's this? Locked. Doors embossed with a fire motif. Okay. Ooh. Is that a hangout area? Oh no. That's a kitchen. Okay. You wouldn't happen to have anything, would you? You're gonna get up later. Already know it. Sudden music change. Map. So we've got a downstairs and we've got this side room. Let's see. Ooh, what's up, buddy? Whoa, back off, buddy. One bite and she's done, son. Okay, so we've got this thingy, whatever this is. More gasoline, how awesome. And we've got Paul here to hang out with us while we play some Resident Evil 0. Is that a shotgun? Looks like a shotgun. I wish I could redo that. Should have been Billy with the dang hunting rifle for that. It is a shotgun. You know what? Actually, hell. Well, I guess Rebecca will use her little green herb. Let's see here. Maybe everyone can walk out a winner here. She'll take the hunting gun. Billy, you can have the shotgun. Alright. This music, though, man. Oh, check this out. Climb up the ladder? Why not? Let's go see what's up the ladder. I hear the squishy squishy of a zombie. Oh boy. Whoop. That worked. Oh, what's up, guys? Double headshot. Damn, stay down. Fuck. More herbs. Awesome. You know what? Just for shits and giggles, I'm just gonna leave that here since it's empty for now. I imagine it won't be hard to get back to. Oh, I've definitely cleaned up here. Let's go see what's in here. Ooh, I unlocked a door. Awesome. Guarded by knights. Regular door. What's this right here? Regulations for trainees. Training facility mission. This training facility will raise a new generation of model employees to serve the future of Umbrella Corp. Applying the strictest and most rigorous training standards, this facility will, without regard for gender, race, or creed, produce only the best candidates to be the future global leaders of Umbrella Corporation. We look forward to the development of your leadership qualities. Training facility guidelines. Discipline, obedience, unity. These 3 words are the basic principles which govern Umbrella Corporation employees and are to be considered the law of this facility. Keep these words in mind at all times. Devote yourselves to your training and bring honor to yourselves and the corporation. James Marcus, Director, Umbrella Corporation Management Training Facility. What's this? System disk, huh? I see shotgun shells over there. Perfect clip. Already the bullet situation is very not looking good. Okay, Billy can go ahead and grab those shotgun shells. Rebecca will be the one to save the game. Yeah, let's save really quick. We're only halfway through the episode. Alrighty. If my memory serves me correctly... Oh, we are back in the main hall. Okay. That's all good. Okay, let's see here. If I remember correctly. Remove the statue from the scales? No. I'll leave it there for now. Until there's some other bullshit we have to do. But yeah, let's go ahead and head back down really quick. So we got 2 doors over there, 1 over there, then we got that guy. Oop. Keeping that with me in case we come across more of the damn... any more bottles for making Molotovs, because Molotovs... which is probably presumptuous of me, but I'd like to think that Molotovs will actually work pretty good against those leech guys. Zombie leeches. Whatever they are. Okay. Oh shoot, I didn't even notice that before. Well then, let me leave this for a quick sec. We'll go ahead and combine that and leave it for now, because I'll just take the double green. Yep, been over there. Well, I didn't go down to the basement. Something tells me I can't go to the basement yet anyways, so I'm gonna put it off for now. I wonder. Can you still mix 3 green herbs? Yes, you can. Look at all that weed. Smoke a doobie to recover health. I'm just kidding. Don't ever do that. Don't. Just don't. Terrible idea. Well, things got quiet rather suddenly. Rah! Notice to all staff. This document is very old. Much of the writing is illegible. Regular meetings of the vaccine research and infectious aid. Stop that! I'm trying to read this. Regular meetings of the vaccine research and infectious agents teams will be held. Both meetings are security level 5 and will be held in the following locations. First floor, West Operations Control Room. Second floor, Southeast Meeting Room. The entry code shall be 815. Thank you. The door with the clock! Oh, but... don't I need something for that? What's that? Crank handle. Yeah, let's take it. No birdies. Fuck! Oh, you little bastards. Come on. Should have known better than that shit. There's only a small trace of ash left. What, Billy can't light it up? No, Billy has a lighter. Nope, guess not. Ah, it's out of fuel. What bullshit. Well, hey, Billy has a shotgun, so yeah. Looks like this only comes here, so... One way on that door. Yeah, we'll leave this here for now. God damn it. Thought I would find some freaking... Alright, well, when I find bottles, I'll come back and make Molotovs, so yeah. Let's see what's on the other side. That dude's face is fucking creepy. Okay. Locked. Awesome. One less door I have to open right now. Be a keyhole. Engraved with the image of a clock. Ah, that's the other door. Okay. They said there was 2 rooms for that. So let me see. Okay, there is one door I know I haven't tried yet. Let me double check on what exactly we have here. We'll see. Let's see. See what we can figure out. Is there gonna be any spooky spoos on the other side of the door? Any zomzoms? Yep, there's zomzoms. Ah, shit, Christ. You know what, Billy? Can you take care of this? You got a shotgun. You're both dead, right? Yes. I would hope so. Another one of these. Okay. Moving on. Are there any zomzoms in here? No zomzoms. Okay, whew, there are no zomzoms in here. What's this? Microfilm A. Not just yet, lest something pop out of nowhere. What do we got here? Candle is burnt out. I probably have to light the candle to open the door, but I have no lighter fluid to do so. Another ink ribbon. Now I'll leave that for now. Okay. Is that a map? Yay, it's a map! A complete map. First and second and third floor. Okay then. Nothing of interest. Oh, okay. Well, Rebecca, go ahead and give Billy the rest of the bullets for now. May as well toss him the health. Nah, he should be fine. There'll probably be health up there. Let's see here.
I'll go check over there.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Rebecca can't use it. Okay, never mind. We're gonna do this the other way around. Billy, I'm gonna have to ask you to hand over all those bullets. You have a shotgun anyways, you should be fine. I should have just given her the shotgun. That probably wouldn't have been a bad idea. Oh well. Oh shit, what the fuck are you? Get the fuck off, get the fuck off, get the fuck off, get the fuck off, get the fuck off.
Ow!
Ow, fucker. Jeez. Fucking giant ass bug. Ugh. Did not need that. Minute hand is missing from the... Oh, is this where I need to set the time in order to open those two doors? Oh, oh shit! Die! Oh, fuck, fuck, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
Ow! Oh!
Really? This is not going well. Hey, look, bullets. Awesome. Fucking bugs. What the fucking fuck? Okay. Totally should have just given her the damn shotgun. Oh, great. They're crow. This is not good. I am... Hopefully, I just come in here and they flew away, right? Right? Hopefully. Ah, fuckers! Oh yeah, the bullet situation is not looking good. Come on. Bastards. Haven't been to the front of the place yet. Don't know how to open those particular gates. Ah, there was a red herb. Apparently. Just right there, out of view, where you wouldn't normally see it. So you'd have to be paying pretty good attention. But let's go ahead and combine them. Okay. there's not gonna be anything in here, is there? Ooh, this is a big spacious area. Another set of knights blocking that door. I think I remember this room. Anyways, gotta regroup. Regroup with Billy, because it's about that time. That time for the end of the episode. But, whew. Birds and bugs, huh? Fun stuff. Okay, where's Billy at? Still there. Let's see here. Yeah, let's grab that shit. While we're here, before we leave and head back, take the ink ribbon with. Alright, nothing else here. Let's go regroup with Rebecca. Save the game, and that'll be it for the episode. Oh! Didn't you blow your head off? There. Problem solved. Why waste 7 or 8 handgun bullets when you could use 1 shotgun shell? Even though I know I'm just about as dead on that ammo as well. But whatever.
This way.
Okay.
See, we regrouped just fine. But anyways, that's about all the time for this shorter episode 2.5. Gonna go ahead and pick up the ink ribbon, save the game, and thanks for tuning in, logging on, whatever you did. Okay, save the game, and that's it. Maybe tomorrow I'll do an episode of Outlast, because it's something that's got to be done. I need to finish Outlast. But again, thanks for joining in here on CK's channel. And I try to put up an episode every night. Resident Evil, Outlast, whatever. We'll see what I do tomorrow night. Not at the same time, because I will have to go to bed early tomorrow night. But I don't know. Just keep an ear to the ground. You'll find it. But thanks for joining in. CK's channel. GT Largo 21. Signing out. Thanks for watching.